guys, back at it again with the gang, period. So today I'm going to be doing something different. So this whole week I'm going to be doing a series of different hairstyles. So Monday through Friday y'all going to see me with a different hairstyle. So today this is the hairstyle and it's currently Monday. So I basically face buns in my hair, and I also tried to like curl these in the front to make it look cute. So yeah, this is hairstyle number one, and basically how I achieved this is like I parted my hair down the middle and I gelled it down with eco gel, and I also put Cantu. That's why you guys are probably like seeing a little bit of white residue because it's still kind of wet. And then I use like the curly rods, like two of these in the front, and I actually curled the front and I went around, and then I let them stay overnight, and then I curled it, and yeah, that's how I got this. So y'all stay tuned for Tuesday to see what I got. So bye.
The next day.
Hey you guys, so today is Tuesday and this is my second hairstyle. So what I tried to do was two braids right here and then a little top knot and then braids in the back. So I'm going to take it out so y'all can see the results. So I'm going to use my humidity spray so my hair don't puff up today before I take my braids out. Basically, now what I'm going to do is like pick through my hair with this pick to get more definition, like at the root. I'm going to go through at the root and at the end, so my hair can be more defined. And I'm surprised this actually came out correctly because I always be having failed hairstyles, y'all. Y'all don't even know. Like, bantu knots. This was a braid out. And I'm surprised it came out good. And yeah, I might pick out a little bit more. But now, let me fix my little top knot a little bit. I think I'm going to be bigger. Okay, so for the last part, y'all already know, gotta get the edges laid.
I was gonna re-gel down my hair, but if it's not sleek, it's not. I'm not tripping about it. I mean, I did want it to be like really sleek, but it didn't come out right. So I'm not gonna sit here and redo the whole thing like no little. And I don't know, can y'all see my braids good or no? I tried to do them, but I think next time, like if I do braids, I'ma make them bigger. You look like you on day 2 or at least day 1.
Which day do you think was the best?
Day 2, the one you posted on your Instagram. Yeah, day 2. I watched it like 2 times.
Okay.
2, 3 times. I like this.
Thank you, girl.
What did you do to it?
Hey you guys, so today is Thursday, which means it's day 4 of my natural hairstyle. So today what I tried to achieve was like I tried to do like a braid in the middle and put like a little decoration. I don't know what y'all call these, but yeah, I put one of these in my hair. And I also did a bun. I was gonna do a top knot, but I just did a little bun, little messy bun, slick back my edges, and yeah, this is basically it. So tomorrow is the last day, so I don't know if I'm gonna do it basic or if I'm gonna do something different, so y'all just gonna have to stay tuned and see. Hey y'all, so basically it's Friday and I know y'all see my hairstyle. It look a mess because I woke up late today, but I just feel like this week I learned a lot about my natural hair. So usually all I do is like wear wigs and protective styles, so I never get a chance to see my natural hair. So I just did this to try to see like what I'm working with, like with my natural hair or whatnot, and I think I did good. But honestly, I'm probably going back to wigs because it's just too much. Because working with natural hair, you gotta wake up early. It's just so much you have to do. Make sure your hair is moisturized on a constant basis. It's just really a lot. But this was a great experience, and make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all like this natural hair video, comment down below, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Oh Lord, this ain't made another wild. Yeah.